Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on mentions on your Quora app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Quora app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here or app, then it's going to show for you window like this. And all you have to do now, just go down here, you click here on settings, and you come to settings window here, just switch into show for you like this, and you click here on email notifications. Then you come to next window here, just switch into show for you like this, click here on push notifications, and it's going to take you here, and you just click here on messages, comments and mentions, and it's going to take you to next window here, and you come here to mentions. You will click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's mentions it's on off now, it's on no. I wish know you I gave it. That's all. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.